discuss the details of the Rician channel. In the last video we have discussed one type of channel, that is the Rayleigh channel. This is the continuation of that one. Now we'll see the details of the Rician channel. So before that we will see the different types of fading channels. The fading channels are broadly classified into two types. One is the Rayleigh channel and the another one is the Rician channel. So now we'll see what is meant by Rician fading. The Rician fading is a model for the radio propagation abnormally caused by the partial cancellation of the signal itself. The signal arrives by several different paths. It occurs when one of the paths is typically much stronger than the others. So here it is a stronger path. The path or the fading arises due to the stronger path is called as the Rician fading. Rician fading or Rician fading is a stochastic model for the radio propagation which is anomaly caused by the partial cancellation of the radio signal by itself. That is, the signal arrives at the receiver by several different paths. Hence, the exhibiting multipath, it will exhibit a multipath interference, and at least one of the path is changing, that is, it may lengthen or it may shorten. The Rician fading occurs when one of the paths, typically a line of sight signal, is much stronger than the others. In the Rician fading, the amplitude gain is characterized by a Rician path. When there is a direct path between the transmitter and the receiver, in addition to the many reflected paths, then the channel is called as Rician fading. The transmitted signal for the FSK is represented as S of t is equal to root of 2p cos 2 pi fc plus b of t into del of f. So this is the transmitted signal, and if it is transmitted, the received signal is R of t is equal to root of 2 p alpha cos 2 pi fc plus b of t del of f plus theta plus root of 2 pr cos 2 pi fc plus b of t del of f into t plus theta plus psi plus n of t. So here n of t represents the noise, theta and phi are the phase angle and differences, and alpha represents the amplitude of the direct path component, and R represents the fading amplitude for the multipath. The total received energy due to the transmitted signal is a random variable. The average received energy is given by E bar is equal to alpha square plus 2 sigma square into E. An important quantity in quantifying the performance is the ratio of power in the faded part with the power in the direct path. So this is given by the expression gamma square is equal to 2 sigma square by alpha square. The error probability for the Rician fading can be expressed as follows. That is, the error probability is given by PEB is equal to 1 plus gamma square by 2 plus gamma square into 2 plus gamma, and exponential of minus gamma divided by 2 plus gamma square into 2 plus gamma. Here, where this gamma is the ratio of the total received energy to the noise spectral density N naught. Notice that if the faded power is equal or larger than the power of the direct path, then the performance is essentially that of a pure Rayleigh fading channel. And for 32 array modulation, the simple error probability is shown in the following figure. So here this figure represents the simple error probability of 32 array orthogonal modulation in a Rician faded channel with a non-coherent modulation. So you can see here, so we can obtain these are the curves for the different values of the gamma square. For this gamma square is equal to 0, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1 and gamma square is equal to 10. Thank you.